DA e re e kgahlano le ho nyollwa ha lekgetho mme mekga e meng ya bohanyetsi e batla ho be le metjha e hlakileng ya ho fehla mesebetsi. Ho na le tumellano ya hore dikhampani tsa mmuso di se hlole di thuswa ka ditjhelete.
Government spending on direct cash support for the poor should be protected from cuts. With the savings realised from the DA's targeted spending cuts and savings, the DA commits to protecting inflationary increases in social grants.
The Minister must outline a plan of how the SOEs are going to be utilised, stabilised firstly, and how the governance challenges facing SOEs are going to be addressed.
We'd like the Minister to tell us exactly how he intends to reduce the cost of doing business in South Africa.
The Minister of Finance will have to announce measures to stimulate the economy by creating a conducive environment for the private sector to create jobs and get the economy going.
We want to see more allocation to infrastructure development and maintenance, particularly in rural areas. It's also our expectation as the IFP that municipal grant be increased because all form of development takes place at the local level.
The ACDP hopes that the Finance Minister will present a pro-growth debt stabilisation budget while also dealing with social pressures. It is crucial to stimulate economic growth and job creation after the devastating COVID-19 lockdown.
We hope that government will table a bold and progressive budget which will take us out of this crisis.
Letona la matlotlo le tla tshetleha puo ya ditekanyetso tsa ditjhelete ka Laboraro.